In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Exness account to MT4 on a PC. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Exness account on the Exness website. Once you log in, you will be taken to My Account section, where you can see all of your accounts. If you already have an MT4 account that you want to link or connect to the Exness MT4 platform, simply go to the account and click on the three dots on the right side. Then look for an option that says account information and click on it. This will display all the information about your account. The details we need here are the server and the MT4 login number. Make sure to copy this information or write it down. Next, open a new tab and type Exness. Then press enter. When the website appears, scroll down and look for the MT4 trading platform. Click on it and it will take you to the download page. If you already have MT4 installed, that's fine. If not, click on the download button and install it on your PC. After installation, open the platform and it should display the MT4 interface. Now we need to connect your account. First, go back to your account information and confirm your server name. For example, it might look like Exness Real 20 or something like that. This is the server you need to select in MT4. In MT4, search for that server, select it and click next. Then choose existing trading account. Now go back to your account information again and copy your MT4 login number, paste it into MT4, then enter the password you created when setting up your account. Once everything is filled in, click finish and that's it. Your MT4 account will be now connected to the platform on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upcoming video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.